Welcome to the future of luxury travel on the road. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour and review of the all-new 2026 Peugeot Motorhome, a game-changer in the world of high-end travel vans. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time traveler, or simply someone who enjoys hitting the open road in style, this ultimate luxury travel van is designed to elevate your experience. Why the Peugeot Motorhome stands out. The Peugeot Motorhome brings sophistication, technology, and comfort to a whole new level. Inspired by European craftsmanship, this motorhome blends elegance with cutting-edge engineering, ensuring that every journey is as enjoyable as a destination. With an emphasis on space, style, and smart functionality, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome is redefining the way we explore the outdoors. Exterior design and build quality. Starting with the exterior, the Peugeot Motorhome's design is a perfect mix of modern aesthetics and practical features. Its aerodynamic shape improves fuel efficiency while providing stability during long drives. The body is built with lightweight, durable materials that make it resilient against the elements, from coastal winds to mountain roads. You'll notice the sleek LED headlights, a panoramic windshield, and integrated side mirrors with blind spot assist sensors. The exterior also features multiple storage compartments with waterproof seals, ensuring your gear stays dry and protected throughout your travels. Where luxury meets practicality. Step inside and be prepared to be amazed. The Peugeot Motorhome is designed with the modern traveler in mind. From its ergonomic layout to its sophisticated materials, every inch of the interior reflects attention to detail. Living area. The living space offers plush seating with adjustable recliners and memory foam cushions, ensuring ultimate comfort during long trips. The convertible sofa transforms easily into an extra sleeping space, making it perfect for families or friends traveling together. Kitchen. The state-of-the-art kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, energy-efficient refrigerator, microwave oven, and a deep sink with a modern faucet. The countertop is made of high-grade synthetic stone, resistant to scratches and heat. Storage cabinets with soft-close hinges and pull-out trays keep everything organized without clutter. Bedroom. The bedroom is a sanctuary on wheels. It features a queen-size memory foam mattress, climate control, and blackout curtains for privacy and restful sleep. USB charging ports are conveniently placed by the bed, allowing you to keep your devices powered. Bathroom. The compact yet luxurious bathroom comes with a spacious shower, anti-slip flooring, and a smart mirror with built-in lighting and a defogging feature. A composting toilet adds to the eco-friendly design, reducing waste and water consumption. Technology integration. One of the highlights of the Peugeot Motorhome is its seamless technology integration. The central touchscreen panel controls everything, from climate settings to lighting, entertainment, and navigation. Advanced GPS navigation, preloaded with RV-specific routes, campgrounds, and charging stations across the USA. Wi-Fi connectivity. A high-speed 5G router ensures you're always connected, whether you're parked deep in the woods or near the coast. Voice-activated assistant. Adjust lighting, control temperature, or even set your favorite playlist without lifting a finger. Solar power integration. Optional solar panels on the roof allow for off-grid adventures without sacrificing power. Safety is also a priority. With features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and parking assist, ensuring peace of mind during every trip. Storage and practicality. Space is never an issue. The Peugeot Motorhome cleverly maximizes storage, with overhead cabinets, slide-out drawers, and under-bed compartments. There's also an external lockable storage unit for bulky gear like bicycles, camping equipment, or surfboards. The motorhome also includes hooks and organizers that prevent clutter, keeping your space neat and accessible even on longer trips. Sustainability features. Traveling responsibly has never been easier. The Peugeot Motorhome is built with eco-friendly materials, including recycled plastics and energy-efficient insulation. Solar panels reduce reliance on external power sources, while the onboard water management system ensures minimal waste. For those committed to reducing their carbon footprint while still enjoying luxury and adventure, this vehicle offers the perfect blend of comfort and sustainability. Customization options. No two travelers are the same, and Peugeot understands that. That's why this motorhome offers multiple customization options, from upholstery color schemes and flooring materials to layout configurations and tech upgrades. You can also choose between different sleeping arrangements, modular furniture, and premium finishes, tailoring your experience to fit your lifestyle. Driving experience. Performance-wise, the Peugeot Motorhome doesn't disappoint. Powered by a hybrid engine with seamless torque distribution, it offers smooth handling even on uneven terrain. The suspension system is tuned to absorb shocks, ensuring a comfortable ride on highways or rural trails. With intuitive steering, responsive brakes, and a powerful drivetrain, it's engineered to make driving effortless, allowing you to focus on the journey rather than the mechanics. Who is this motorhome for? This motorhome is ideal for anyone seeking luxury, adventure, and convenience. Whether you're a weekend getaway enthusiast, a full-time traveler exploring the national parks, or a retiree chasing endless road trips, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome meets every need. Its combination of practicality and elegance makes it a perfect investment for travelers who value comfort without compromising mobility. Final thoughts. The 2026 Peugeot Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It offers the perfect balance of technology, comfort, and style while enabling unforgettable travel experiences. With its thoughtful design, eco-friendly features, and high-end finishes, this motorhome sets the standard for luxury travel vans in 2026 and beyond. If you're ready to hit the road and explore new destinations in unmatched comfort, the Peugeot Motorhome is your ultimate travel companion. Thank you for joining us on this tour and review of the all-new 2026 Peugeot Motorhome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews, travel tips, and motorhome guides. Adventure is calling. Are you ready?